Hello, so today we're going to be trying to solve this question. The graph shows the variation of speed v with the object of an object time t, which graph shows how the distance traveled by the object varies with p. So something that we should know is that s equals to velocity times the time. So it's the area underneath the velocity time graph. Now, this also means that if we draw tangents onto all of these graphs, we should be able to get a graph of tangents that resembles this graph. So if we try and draw a tangent onto this graph, it doesn't work because it has a straight constant gradient. Thus, this graph is not the right answer. So we can eliminate option A. Now, here we can see that the gradient starts quite low, starts to increase, and then starts to decrease again. If we started to plot this, we would get something like the gradient being here, increasing in steepness, then starting to decrease again. We would get something that looks like this. Now, if we tried to draw tangents here, we would see that it's increasing is 0, then decreasing, and decreasing. So this means that we would get something like this, which is underneath here, reaches 0, and then starts to decrease again. So this option is wrong as well. Now, for this one, we have a tangent which is initially very high, then starts to decrease, then increases. We would get something that looks like this. Initially very high and then decreases. Thus we know that the correct answer is B, as this graph matches this graph.